Kyron, say good morning. What are you playing with? Good morning, Libby. Hey, good morning. Okay. Okay, where's he gonna go?
Right?
Okay.
Then bad guy goes to right?
Where's baby bad guy gonna go? Down there?
Yeah.
Okay. Where's he gonna go? Where does he go? Who do you have? Show me. Who is that? A transformer? Where's he gonna go? Ah, way up there. All right, let's get another one.
I don't want to do that. I don't want to.
Here's his setup. Who's this guy?
BB-8.
BB-8. And who's this down here?
I don't know.
Captain America.
Captain Hug.
Who's this?
Transformer.
Oh, and then who's this?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Oh, and then who's way down here?
Bad guy.
A bad guy. And then there's somebody else down here. Who's that?
A bad guy.
A bad guy. And what's over here? Who's this?
I don't know.
That's someone from Star Wars, huh?
Uh-huh.
And who's this one?
What's putting that? Sorry, bad mama.
This one right here. Who's this?
Iron Man.
Iron Man. And
Batman and Hook.
then who's over here?
Batman and Robin. And bad guy.
And a bad guy. Oh, and Kai said we forgot these guys. Who are these guys?
Bad guys. Bad guy dinosaurs. T-Rex.
Do you want to show everyone what your bad guy T-Rex does? Okay. Come over here and show them. That. He's gonna eat it. Oh no, he's gonna get it. So close. Godzilla! It's gonna get him. Oh! Woo!
I got them.
Alright, here's the aftermath of our battle. There was no survivors. And Kai's getting ready to watch a movie while I make breakfast. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to make German pancakes. We love them here. They're easy, they're quick, and it's really no hassle. I will leave the recipe down below, but I'll also tell you what I'm using as I'm making it. So you're gonna need a blender, a cast iron skillet, and then all the other ingredients that are listed down below. So I'm gonna start out with 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, and then you're gonna put those in your cast iron skillet. And then you're gonna put that into the oven. And then preheat your oven to 400. And then now in the blender, let's see, can you see it? I already have a 1/2 cup of flour. Next, you're gonna do a 1/2 cup of milk. And we're using the blender because we don't want any clumps. And you're not gonna wanna over blend. So we have a 1/2 cup of flour, a 1/2 cup of milk, and then we're gonna need 3 eggs. And 3 tablespoons of sugar. So I think we all know how to count. 1, 2, and 3. And then we'll need 1 teaspoon, which let me get that out, of vanilla. And then we're gonna need to blend it up. You're not gonna want to over blend, because then you're just gonna liquefy the sugar. So you have to be very careful. I've done it before, trust me, so I know. And what I'm using is just a Ninja. This is the top part, and then I have 2 small bases and 2 like bigger bases. So what I'm gonna do, then I'm almost gonna be like, just like that. And then you want to get your cast iron out. Let me check on the butter. Then you're just gonna move that all the way around. And then take your batter. And just pour it in. And then put it back in for 20 minutes. You fold some more.
No.
Here I am, trying to fold towels, and Libby won't move. Libby, you're in the way. You gotta watch out. Kai's still folding towels.
Oh, it's George. It's George. And he's got a squirrel on his hand. Bill, you call the fire department.
Okay. What?
I don't know. They seem to know how to do everything.
Stick your tongue out. What did we just go watch? Where did we just come back from?
Our house.
We did not just come back.
No. No. Where?
All right. So where did we just go?
The movie theater.
The movie theater. And what movie did we see? Again.
Mary Poppins.
Do you love Mary Poppins? Show us your tongue again. All right, we're getting ready to go to bed. Kai, come say goodnight.
Good night.
Libby, say goodnight.